Hello friends, welcome to Audiobook Daily. Today we'll talk about The Comfort Crisis by Michael Easter, published in 2021. Karen was living the life most people dream about. Comfortable job, comfortable home, comfortable routines. Yet somehow he felt miserable. He wasn't depressed, but he wasn't alive either. His energy was low. His mind was foggy. His motivation was disappearing. Every day looked exactly the same. Drive to work, sit all day, scroll during breaks, eat convenient food, Netflix at night, sleep, repeat. Life was comfortable, almost too comfortable. One weekend, while scrolling endlessly on his phone, he saw an interview with a writer named Michael Easter, talking about his book The Comfort Crisis. And one sentence shook Karen awake. We are living in a comfort crisis. Comfort is killing our happiness, our health, and our potential. For the first time in a long time, Karen felt something, the quiet realization that he wasn't tired. He was under-challenged. He opened the book, and what he read inside changed how he saw life forever. The Comfort Crisis by Michael Easter argues that modern comfort is destroying us. Humans evolved to move, struggle, adapt, grow, and face challenges. But today, everything is easy. Food at our doorstep. Entertainment on demand. Climate-controlled rooms. Comfort everywhere. Discomfort nowhere. Easter traveled to the Arctic with scientists, adventurers, and health experts to uncover the truth. Comfortable life makes us weak. A little discomfort makes us strong. Here are the core lessons. 1. The myth of the good life. Comfort isn't happiness. Modern society tells us, avoid pain. Avoid difficulty. Choose convenience. Seek pleasure. Stay safe. But Easter explains a powerful contradiction. Humans thrive when challenged. We decline when comfortable. Comfort reduces motivation, creativity, resilience, mental clarity, physical fitness, emotional strength. Your brain and body need mild stress, not constant comfort. 2. Hormesis. Good stress makes you stronger. In the Arctic, Easter learns about hormesis, the idea that small amounts of stress make us healthier. Examples. Exercise stresses muscles, they grow. Cold exposure stresses the body, immunity strengthens. Fasting stresses the system, metabolism improves. Mental challenge stresses the brain, focus sharpens. The takeaway. Comfort weakens you. Challenge upgrades you. 3. Misogi. Do one hard thing every year. Easter learns the Japanese practice of misogi. Once a year, do something so hard it scares you. Rules of misogi. It must be extremely difficult. There is a 50% chance you fail. It should change how you view yourself. Examples. Run farther than you think possible. Climb a mountain. Tempt a long fast. Go on a silent retreat. Challenge your fear. Misogi isn't about winning. It's about discovering who you are. For get outside, nature heals the modern mind. Easter shows that nature isn't just scenery. It's medicine. Benefits of time in nature. Reduces anxiety. Boosts creativity. Improves focus. Resets stress hormones. Enhances happiness. Restores attention. Even 20 to 30 minutes outside daily changes the brain. Modern life keeps us indoors. But humans were meant to live wild. 5. Move more. Easy lives create weak bodies. The average person sits for almost 10 hours a day. Sitting is not the problem. Not moving is the problem. Movement improves mood, sharpens the brain, prevents disease, enhances longevity, increases confidence. You don't need extreme workouts. Just daily movement, walking, stretching, carrying things, climbing stairs, brings you back to your natural state. 6. Break digital addiction. Your phone is a comfort trap. Easter explains how modern technology gives constant dopamine, distraction, convenience, escape from boredom. But this damages focus, patience, emotional stability, mental clarity. The solution? Build digital discomfort. Phone, free mornings. No scrolling after 9 p.m. Take free walks. 1 digital detox day per week. Your brain becomes sharper when it gets bored. That's where creativity lives. 7. Eat real food. Comfort foods create real problems. Modern comfort food is engineered to be fast, addictive, cheap and easy. But Easter shows it's also engineered to hijack your brain. Real food requires effort. Chopping, cooking, preparing. But this difficulty is actually good for you. Eating clean improves energy, mood, sleep and mental sharpness. Discomfort in choices leads to comfort in health. 8. Discomfort builds identity. Easter ends with a powerful truth. We avoid discomfort because we fear pain. But discomfort is how we grow. Every difficult thing you do becomes part of your character. Your identity expands. When you face fear, when you struggle, when you do what others won't, when you push beyond what's easy, discomfort creates strength. Comfort creates regret. The day Karen came alive again. After finishing the book, Karen did something unusual. He woke up early. He walked outside in the cold. He didn't touch his phone for the first hour. He cooked his own breakfast. He took the stairs instead of the elevator. He ended the day with a long, silent walk. None of it was comfortable, but all of it felt real. For the first time in years, he didn't feel tired. He felt awake. He realized that comfort had not protected him. It had imprisoned him. And as he stood there, breathing deep, he whispered, "If comfort created this version of me, discomfort will create a better one." Thank you for listening. See you in next Audiobook Daily.